Ciao guys, from Maestro Video Copelli, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a video that I already made 2 years ago, actually 3 years ago, but today I'm going to remake this video how to clean a wood burning oven because it's so important that I decided to do that again. Ok, let's go see how to clean this wood burning oven, come pulire un forno a legna, come si deve ragazzi. Va bene? Perché è importante, seguitelo, condividete, lasciate un like. Okay guys, like you can see, so we fire up the oven in the center, so we have all the ashes in the oven.
So like you can see, the oven is nice and fire up in the center. So now what we do is we move the big piece of wood on the side 1 second, and we take all the ashes and we put only one side, on the left side. Then we try to take all as much that we can, just like that. Now did you see the little piece of metal? We will need it because that's a stand for our wood. We want to place the big piece of wood on the stand. Now we pay attention to take all the ash from the side of the oven because that's the most important part, because you don't notice, but the pizza sometimes touch the sides. Okay, so now that we clean up as much that we can on the bottom, what we do is we place a couple of pieces of wood on the side in the oven for now to warm up. This way they will be nice and warm. When we're going to put it on top, just like that, it will be fire up more fast. Just place it on top on the left side.
Okay, the first thing to do, let me take off the glass because we have to talk seriously. The first thing to do is we need a wet towel, not too wet, like you can see, but wet, so humid. We're gonna put it right here, clean up first the front, bam bam. Then with a peel, go right here, vai vicino. And we need to clean all the oven from the side. Go first from the side.
So now we keep going on the side, and then we try to attach all the ashes that's on the floor to the towel. That's why we use the humid towel. Like you can see on the towel, did you see how much ash got attached to it? So imagine the pizza. That's why we need to use a humid towel. Now we flip it over and we go again.
Okay, now we go from the center. We gotta go good from the side. We gotta make sure that all these ash is back here.
Okay, now at this point we check on the sides, on the right side, all right there, and we make sure it's completely clean. Just make sure. We're gonna take a look more closer. Here we go. So now, did you see? It's all nice and clean. So now at this point we wait that the oven gets to the temperature and we are ready to make the pizza. But I'm gonna press one more time just to make sure. There we go. And let me take this out on my way. It's a little bit of ash there. Voila, done. One more time and ready to rock and roll.
Okay, now we clean up the side of the oven. This one we can put it back in the washer. Gonna wash my hands. we have to clean up this one with a wet towel regular, and voila, the oven is nice and clean, the bottom, because you don't want the ashes to be under the pizza. So it's very important, guys, because this little piece of wood, the piece of ash, they can get attached to the under the pizza, and the people, they can eat it. So please, guys, hope you like this video. Please comment below if you have any question. Thumbs up, because this is really helpful video for a lot of people. And the most important thing is share everywhere, because it's important. Hope I was helpful for this video. Pizzas, guys, I'm gonna show you also how to make the pizza. This video is not only about showing, it's also about learning. I'm going to make a very special pizza. Let's make it. Let's go. We got the dough, 48 hours fermentation. Make sure you cut it right, and we take it. I'm gonna show you how to stretch it. Are you ready? So this is how you stretch it. Make sure you check out my other videos. Press, then one end, you put it on top, take off all the flour. Now we start to stretch. With your right hand, you need to measure and control. Then put it right here. So for this video, I'm going to make a special, this is a zucchini cream, homemade. I put it in the center, just like the tomato sauce. Then we're going to put some fresh mozzarella, just like that. That's it. We don't go not too crazy. Now a little bit of pepper, a little bit of olive oil, and now we go in the oven. Remove the peel. This pizza is cooked. This pizza is cooked at low temperature, about 650 degrees, 650 Fahrenheit. Cooking the pizza, repeat at low temperature. A little bit of smoking flavor, and voila! Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe.